Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Coinbase wallet. First, download the official Coinbase wallet app from your device store and open it. Tap Create New Wallet, set a secure passcode, and write down the recovery phrase on paper. Store that phrase safely and never share it online. After confirming your phrase, you can add funds, connect dApps, and manage tokens with confidence. Start by opening Coinbase Wallet and selecting Create New Wallet, then follow on-screen prompts to set a passcode and backup. The app shows a 12-word recovery phrase. Write it down exactly and store copies in separate secure places. Confirm the phrase when prompted to complete setup. Finally, enable biometric unlock and review security settings so you can access funds quickly without sacrificing safety. Treat your recovery phrase like the key to a safe. Never type it into websites or message apps. For larger holdings, consider a hardware wallet to keep keys offline. Keep your device and the Coinbase wallet app updated and only connect to trusted dApps. If you suspect compromise, move funds to a new wallet immediately using a fresh recovery phrase. These habits reduce risk and keep your crypto safer over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.